Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And today's topic that I was going to be talking about was something really very profound, which had actually changed my life when I heard it from my mentors a couple months back. And you would be surprised that this is the second video that I'm taking because I had already shot the video and I'd spoken about it for about 10 to 15 minutes because that's how powerful that topic was, and I was really excited to share it with you, and I still will. But actually that secret, that whole concept, which was supposed to be a secret, that one secret that has actually helped change my life, was supposed to be pause and reflect. And when that video that I actually created, where I spoke about everything that I wanted to, and I was in the balcony on the porch, and the wind was blowing really, really harsh, and the voice never recorded really well, which I didn't realize at the time when I was recording the video. And I was really disheartened because I really wanted to share that value, and I was like, okay, I'm not going to be doing today's video. But then I was thinking in my head that that video was supposed to reach all of you, to inspire you. And how do I come back to a room to share the same message, to inspire you guys with the same thought? And the one thing that came to my mind was, at the start of the year when I started to do the videos again, I had promised myself that I'm going to stay consistent with the YouTube channel, the videos that I post. Because when I share a video, it's not a video just to inspire others, but it's a message that I share with myself. Like when I sit to pause and reflect, like using that same concept, pausing and reflecting, what do I want to say to myself today? How do I inspire myself today? And that's what is the message that I always put up. So today I had to build up the courage again to refilm the whole video because I was really disheartened by what happened, and I was like, okay, no, this actually helps. I paused, I reflected. I actually was very annoyed. I'm like, no, I'm not going to be doing this again. But to come to think of it, pausing and reflecting pushes us forward towards our own success. Just think of it, wherever you are at currently in your life, no matter what the situation is, what you want to achieve, may it be a love, relationships, family, wealth, career, success in any field, right? And all of these successful people around the globe implement this strategy, which is very simple, where we just pause, reflect on our thoughts, reflect on our actions, and see how we are actually probably stuck somewhere in our mind. My mind was easily going to be taking me out of the game to not to be redoing this video. But if we pause and reflect and see why we are doing it and what the intention is. Maybe you want to grow. You've been stuck for years together now and you want to grow. You want to share value. You want to take your life to the next level. Anything that comes to your mind that can push you forward, pause and reflect on it. Because without that, I don't think any one of us can move forward in life. Because we get so consumed in just hustling every day. No, let's work. This didn't work, that didn't work, this didn't work, let me try it this way, that way. We get so lost in everything that's around us that we forget what is actually important. That breathing space that we need to give ourselves. That time that compassion that we hold for others, we need to give ourselves. Because when we fail, we forgive ourselves, because that's the way we can push forward. We are free of judgments for ourselves, and if we can pause and reflect, that's the best thing we can do for our own growth. It frees us from other judgments, from the judgment people might carry for us. Oh, you failed, but you at least tried, right? At the end of the day, you tried, you kept up, you're moving forward. Every failure is a stepping stone towards success. You are implementing whatever you have learned, you want to give, and you're gaining back from it. Even if you don't get the same results, you know that you have the courage to do things in life, and that's what matters. We design our own life. We are the designers of our own life. We create our own life. What others do in their life, if they haven't even been doing that, that's their journey. Your journey is what matters. What you really want to achieve in life is what matters. Truly, it's down to us, and the way we can go ahead is just by taking a moment in the day. It's not even like you have to block out 1-2 hours in the day and okay, now it's time to pause and reflect. Oh, how do I do it? No, just during the day, whenever, take that 5 minutes off for yourself, or at bed, in the bed when you're about to sleep. Just go flashback through the day. What happened? Okay, this happened, that happened. Maybe I can improve there, maybe not. Calm your mind and try to reflect, and you would see how beautifully the path to success opens up. I have implemented it in my life so far, and I did it even today because I almost gave up. But when I paused and I reflected why I was doing this, it made so much more sense. This video has become much more valuable for me than the previous one which I shot, showing the snow and everything out there. But this is much more valuable. At the end of the day, I'm able to share this message, and that feeling, that bliss that you feel when you achieve something that you wanted to, that feeling that I tried and I achieved, that bliss, that success, that flavor that it leaves is what you want to experience, and that will only come when you pause and reflect. And with that, I hope that you gain some value in this video. Make sure you pause and reflect on this thought as well, and I will see you guys on my next episode of Spiritful Saturday. Until then, continue to inspire, be inspired, get inspired, and hey, I hope you have turned on the notification icon, because I know you've already subscribed, right? And if not, please do subscribe, because I'm dedicated to do such videos every Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays, where I share my journey, the way the life has inspired me. And with that, I hope you guys have a lovely, lovely weekend. Lots of love and light. Bye-bye.